If you're looking at Morgan and Jones Melbourne and wondering whether it's really an Australian fashion brand, the answer isn't as clear as the website may suggest. Let's break it down. Morgan and Jones Melbourne presents itself as an Australian-inspired fashion retailer, often using branding that emphasizes Melbourne's style and local heritage. At first glance, it appears to be a boutique Australian clothing store offering large discounts and closing sale promotions. But here's the catch. Many customers have questioned whether the company is actually based in Australia. Several reviewers report receiving products shipped from overseas rather than from Australia. Others claim the clothing they received looked different from the website photos and appeared similar to items available from large international marketplaces. The biggest complaints usually involve product quality, sizing inconsistencies, and difficulty obtaining refunds. Many negative reviews also mention long shipping times and customer service issues when attempting returns. Some customers report being offered partial refunds instead of full returns, while others say return shipping costs made refunds impractical. So is Morgan and Jones Melbourne really Australian? The branding strongly emphasizes Melbourne and Australia, but many customer reports suggest the business operations and fulfillment may not be as locally based as shoppers expect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.